Hey Tony, thank you for letting us come out to the job site today. I know you've got the green machine by Cool Machines. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Certainly, I'd love to. Cool Machines set this truck up for us. We took it down in an empty truck and it came back. What we have here is a high pressure water pump, spray high pressure wall insulation with this. We also have a hose reel here for our water hose that feeds our gun inside. We have 3 tanks in there that carry significant water for doing pretty much an average size ranch style home. It is heated and insulated in here for the Midwest, for the cold climate that we get here. Behind that we got a 49 horse Kubota, all electronic ignition, easy start. It's got the idle up to running the machine inside. Very dependable motor. Back here we have an access door for changing and maintaining any of our belts that we need to ever change out. Pretty simple to get in, a few screws to remove it and get in there and change your belts pretty easily. So this is our green machine inside here. What we have up here is a vacuum. This is what we pull all of our recycle out of the house as we're blowing, brings it back and returns it to our recycle hopper. Down here we have a PD blower, a positive displacement blower. Gives us the ability to blow a lot longer distance with a lot more airflow. This machine is equipped with hyper shredder, taking the insulation apart and shredding it up nice so that when we are inside spraying, everything's smooth, sprays very, very smooth. These flaps here keep the low dust in the truck when you are returning your recycle into the truck. These fold down doors for easy access of loading and unloading the insulation. These are easy to remove access panels for if you ever have anything dropped in there by accident you need to get at or anything like that. These are your adjustments for your gates for keeping your mixture adequately where it should be when you're spraying. In here there are some easy to remove latches to work on all of your belts and everything inside the machine. There's a 12-inch by 24-inch airlock in here. Fairly easy to get out and change your airlock seals if you need to. And then back here, we have all of our, which isn't much as you can see, a small control panel, very little electrical involved with this machine. Most of it's all mechanical, easy to work on, easy to service.